In today's video, I'm going to show to you exactly how to appear offline on Steam, a feature that is absolutely essential if you want to enjoy your gaming library in peace without being bombarded by message notifications or game invites from your friends list. Whether you are trying to focus on a single player campaign, catching up on some work through the Steam interface, or you simply aren't in the mood for a social gaming session, setting your status to offline or invisible is the perfect solution. This method is incredibly easy to implement and can be toggled on or off in a matter of seconds, providing you with total control over your digital privacy and social presence on the platform. If this video helps you reclaim your quiet gaming time, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated with more tech guides. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer. Once the application is loaded and you are on your dashboard, look at the very top menu bar where you see options like Steam, View, Friends, Games, and Help. You specifically want to click on the Friends option in the top menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several status options including Online, Away, Invisible, and Offline. This is where it gets interesting because you have two primary choices depending on how you want to be perceived. If you select Invisible, you will appear offline to everyone else, but you can still see your friends list, chat with people if you choose to initiate it, and see what everyone else is playing. This is essentially the ninja mode of Steam. On the other hand, if you select Offline, you are effectively disconnecting from the Steam social servers entirely. Your friends will not see you online, and you will not be able to see them or use the chat functions until you log back in. For most users looking for a bit of privacy while still maintaining functionality, Invisible is the go-to setting. Once you make your selection, the change is instantaneous. Your profile icon will change color or gray out to indicate your new status, and you will no longer show up as active in your friends' notifications. It is important to remember that appearing offline doesn't stop you from playing your games. It simply removes the social pressure of being active. You can spend hours across multiple titles, and your friends list will remain none the wiser. This is particularly useful for those of us with large friend lists where someone is always looking to start a match or send a quick message right as you're getting into the flow of a game. If you ever want to switch back to being social, you just follow these same steps. Click Friends in the top menu and select Online to let everyone know you're ready to play again. It is a seamless process designed to keep the user in the driver's seat of their experience. Managing your online presence is a huge part of modern gaming, and Steam makes it very accessible once you know where the menu is hidden. By mastering these status settings, you avoid the awkwardness of ignoring messages and can instead curate the exact type of gaming environment you want for that day. It's about playing on your own terms. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that choosing the invisible status is generally better if you still want to receive game updates or browse the community workshop while hiding, whereas the hard offline status is better for a total digital detox from the platform's social features. Both have their place depending on your specific needs for the session. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to appear offline on Steam and manage your visibility with ease. If this video was helpful and saved you from some unwanted interruptions, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these straight to the point tutorials for you. Thank you for watching and enjoy your private gaming session.